And I'm actually going to be doing something to my car myself. That's right, my dad is nowhere in sight, he's not here to help me. I failed. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'd appreciate it if you just click that subscribe button and make sure that bell is well and truly rung so you're notified every time a video does go up on my automotive YouTube channel. Now, as you can see from behind me, this is my, again if you're new, this is my modified Abarth 595 Trofeo, and I'm actually going to be doing something to my car myself. That's right, my dad is nowhere in sight, he's not here to help me. I'm going to try and fix the Abarth myself. From the videos I've seen, it looks pretty straightforward, but this is me attempting something I've never done before, something that everyone probably knows how to do, but little petrol head me here, and it's something that looks simple, but let's attempt it and let's show you what we're doing. Massive part install, guys. We're doing some little wiper blades. Oh, so your little daddy does all the parts for you, you don't know how to do anything yourself? Yeah, that's right, I've admitted it, but let's give it a go. This is how committed I am to you bringing YouTube videos. I've had these wipers in my flat for about 2 or 3 months, literally, and I've been driving around needing new wipers for all that time. All because I wanted to wait for a nice dry day where I can fit the wipers for a little YouTube video, bash out that content for you, and this might actually help people that have never fitted wipers, like myself, to an Abarth 595, otherwise known as a Fiat 500. So what I might do is I might just quickly wet the windscreen, get in the car so you can hear the awful noise the windscreen wipers are making. So as you can see and hear, they're really not in good shape. Let's change that. Myself, may I add. Oh, I'm nervous. Personally, I'm very far from a mechanic, but the fact that these wipers have lasted only about 1.5 years is quite surprising. Is that normal? Wipers replace so quickly? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What is the life of a windscreen wiper? I'm just going to use my trusty old Museum Minter 1998 Honda Civic. If you haven't seen a video of this, click on the card above on the screen somewhere. We're just going to do an unboxing of these Bosch blades. So admittedly, I did not know what wiper blades my Abarth 595 needed, so I contacted my trusty daddy and he picked them up for me, but I did pay for them myself. I'm not that much of a daddy's little girl, guys, believe it or not. So we've got 2 sizes. What have we got here? Bosch Aero Twin. In there you get 1 times 600mm 24 inches. She's big. And then we got a little one which is 1 times 340 by 13.5 inches. My dad did pick me up a rear one, which I never used a rear wiper, so I don't actually need it. So I have got 3 boxes of blades, but I only need fit in the front 2 today. So let's unbox the smaller one of the 2. Ooh. New parts today, guys, so exciting. We've got wiper blades. That can go on the floor. Oh, okay, this is good. This looks complicated. Okay, so that's obviously the little blade. That's a bit of plastic we don't need. So that's a little one off the 2. Just place that carefully on the floor. Carefully, she says. And then what have we got in here? Oh, like the little clippy bit. Oh, and there's something else. It's a surprise in there. Oh, and another clippy bit. Oh, and there's nothing else. Something else. Oh, instructions. Is that it? Oh no, there's another bit. We've got 3 of these bits. Okay, this looks a bit scary. I'm starting to ask myself, what have I actually let myself in for? We're opening the bigger one of the 2 boxes now, and she's a beast. Oh, a couple more of these little... Chuck that on the floor again. So we've got the actual, wow, she's a beast. We've got the actual Bosch blade itself, and we've got another box of clippy bits, which I can't get out the box again. Why does it come with so many black plastic clips for? Oh god, you can't get them out of the bloody box. And we've got 3 more of these black plastic clip things. So just recapping, we have the small of the front blade there, and these 3 random clippy bits, the large of the front blade, and these 3 random clippy bits. Right, so they recommend you have a cloth, tissue, microfiber cloth, so when you lift each wiper up, you lay that down the windscreen to stop the wiper arm smacking and cracking your windscreen. And you can imagine it being my first time that would go down for a video, but it would be quite a costly mistake. So each blade, I'll do a close-up in a minute, each blade has a little square bit you push in, and I think you push it in and take it out. So let's just lay down my dirty old cloth and we'll do the larger blade of the two, or she says. So literally just place that. So if it was going to fall down the blade, it will land on that cloth, not on the windscreen. And let's attempt to push this little squaring and see if it will come off. Oh my god, it's easy. Come on. Oh no, it's not. Come on. Yes! I literally do nothing to my cars myself. My dad helps me, we all know that, okay? But I've just taken a wiper blade off myself. I am so chuffed. Just go back over to the Honda bonnet and I'm just trying to see, and apart from it looking, I don't know if the camera's picking anything up, but apart from it looking dirty, I don't know whether that's meant to be that wobbly or not, but I don't know, I suppose they just perish over time, don't they, like anything rubber, plastic, I suppose. So I'm being sensible, I'm just trying to work out what these plastic clips are. So this is the old blade and it has one of these plastic clips on, so I suppose I need to put one on the new blade and then clip it back onto the car on the arm. Yeah. So number 2. So weird. So that's going to go on there.
Yeah.
Do it then.
Right, then hopefully that actually goes. See this way it pings back and smashes the windscreen. Ta-da! Happy days.
I failed. I had to call my dad, he was in the area and he's fitted a wiper blade for me. Let's see if I can do the other one myself though. My dad picked these up for me. He didn't buy them, I buy them myself. He was even confused and baffled by all the plastic attachments, so he's found the right attachment for blade number 1, the longer blade, and that is now on. So I'm going to try and do the shorter blade. I promise you I'm going to try and do it all by myself. We just put the cloth underneath blade number 2, pop it up, press in the square, he says. Come on, play ball. There we go. So it seems it's not just as simple as pressing a square and pulling, you have to pull it up and sort of bend it in. But blade number 2, the little one, is off again, so I can take the blades off myself. I just struggle with putting the things on. Then what I think my dad is he put the attachment on first and then put the blade in. Okay, so that bit's gone alright. So I've got the new blade. What way does this... oh, okay, it's an arrow, so surely that must mean... Bear with me guys, I'm just struggling with the last one. Oh. Okay, so after all that to-ing and fro-ing, it's so sunny now for some reason. All I had to do was just push it under and just push it in. Maybe I have done one of 2 wiper blades myself, so let's just take this away now. Yeah, Bosch made this pretty hard work with all these plastic attachments. Even my dad, like I said, come along and he was a bit baffled, although he fitted this a little bit before mine. I can't take more than one handful. Stuff it. So there we have it guys. My dad's work and my work on the smaller one off the front too. Before we speak too soon, we're now going to get a video of my wiper that I fitted probably flying off, so let's give him a test. No more smearing, no more juddering. That is how wipers should work, obviously. So there we have it. I tried, I failed, I tried again, and I passed. So yeah, all I did, trust me guys, all I did was phone my dad and said, "Dad, I'm trying to do an install video on his wipers." This is me on the phone, by the way. Can you help me? And he's like, "Look, I'm in the area, I'll come over." I was like, "No, I want to do it myself." So, "Look, I'm in the area, I'll come over." So he came over, I got on a bit on video. He was baffled by all these attachments. He basically, it was a trial and error thing, just picked an attachment that looked right to the original attachment, slotted it on, and just like that he did the first blade. And not just like that, I did the second one all by myself. So you have to give me credit, guys. I had the right idea. I really did try, and I failed, but then I tried again and I managed to fit the second wiper all by myself. So I probably made this job look a whole lot trickier than it really is, because like I said, my dad's come along and did it like that. I didn't, but I did do one myself, so I feel proud of myself. So yeah, that was an install of 2 Bosch wipers to an Abarth, and it just goes to show that the commitment to YouTube I had. Like I said, I was driving around previously, I've had these wipers sat in the flat for about 2 or 3 months. It has rained since, and my wipers have just been bleh, bleh, and I've been making them go bleh, bleh, until I basically film a video for you guys installing them. So so many people coming past today, but it is a Saturday, what do you expect, Amber? So yeah, I can really now appreciate my new wipers clearing the screen as they should, and I'll now be safe driving in the rain and not risking my life because I've been waiting for a nice time to film a wiper installation video. What I do for YouTube, hey? If you've liked this video, then give it a like. Please leave me comments below of how I did, and I'm going to get lots of bad comments now. I'm inviting comments on how I did. And make sure you do subscribe for more bad installation videos to my Abarth 595, and make sure that bell is rung so you're notified every time a video does go up on my automotive YouTube channel. Follow me on all the social medias to see them at the end, and do check out my Driven 24/7 store so you can help me in the future buy more wipers in a year and a half's time when the car needs it. So thank you, Daddy, I love you, and I love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching, bye. That's the one I did, guys. Yeah, I did that one. Not both of them, just that one. But I'm proud of it.